The button counter is a new field that, at least in my opinion, is a great way to let your users pick a number without using the keyboard. Well, in fact they can use the keyboard if they want, but it is easier and more convenient to use the buttons beside the number, at least for small amounts, and this is where I recommend to use this field. This field has 4 main settings: default value, minimum and maximum value, and steps. With default value you can define the value that the field is going to have when the form loads. You can also set the minimum and maximum value of the field. And lastly, with the step setting, you can define how much the value is going to increase or decrease when the button is pressed. The field comes with 5 different price types, and in case you don't know, this is used to define a price for a field. Each field can have its own price type, and when the form is submitted, the plugin sums up all the fields that have a price type to calculate the final total. This is completely optional though, and if you don't need to calculate a total, you don't need to use any price type. Also, I am covering this part in more detail in another tutorial, so if you have any questions about price types, please check that tutorial. Fixed amount. In this price type you define a price for the field, and it is used when the field is not 0. Current value. In this one, the price of the field is going to be the same as the value of the field. Quantity by value. This is similar than current value, but the difference is that in here you define an amount, and this amount is multiplied by the field value to calculate the price. Quantity. This is a little bit more complex, but basically it's used to define the quantity of the form. So let's say that I have a dropdown with products. Each product has its own price, but I also want my users to select a quantity. So to do that, I just need to drag a button counter and select the quantity price type. By the way, this quantity price type is not exclusive for this field. There are other fields that can use it, like the number box. So if you don't like this field but still want to calculate a quantity, you can use other fields. And the formula price type, this is used to create your own calculation to define a price. This is a very big topic and I am covering it in another tutorial, so I am not going to cover it here. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video and this field, but if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know.